Hi and welcome back to the countertop. And today on Pantry 101, I'm doing smoked paprika oil. Hi and welcome back. And today on Pantry 101, I'm doing a smoked paprika oil. Very easy flavor oil for you to have in your pantry, so you can use these on salad dressings or meat dressings or things that you can create and go crazy. So let's go for the ingredients. So here's all the ingredients that I'm using today. So as you can see here, it's just 4 ingredients, so it's very easy. So you're gonna need 25 grams of smoked paprika, 5 cloves of garlic, 500 grams of a neutral oil. You can use any type of oil that is neutral. So I'm using here grapeseed oil, but you can choose what oil you want to use, and also some kosher salt. All right, so let's start doing. So now the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna toast the smoked paprika in a small pot over low heat until you have a rust color and very fragrant. So something around 2 to 3 minutes. After these, you're gonna add the garlic and the oil, and you're gonna cook these very gently until you reach something about 70 degrees Celsius. You continue to cook the oil on low until you have a bright orange oil, so something around 30 to 40 minutes. So here's our oil, and now we're gonna put a little bit of salt. And now it's time for us to strain these. So we're gonna strain these in 2 parts. So the first part, you're gonna get a fine mesh strainer and just strain these. Now we're gonna strain these again, but now using a coffee filter. So you put the coffee filter here, jump to another bowl, and filter it again. It's important for you to strain these through a coffee filter or even like a triple cheesecloth, so you don't have the grains of the paprika, because they can bring a lot of like a super bitter taste to the oil. So here's our oil. Let's see the color, let's see how it goes. As you can see, the color is super beautiful, super bright orange. So there it is. Now you have in your pantry a very nice flavored oil for you to do some dressing. I hope you guys like it. Please, again, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to tell me what you like. If you like this series, the Pantry 101, I hope you guys enjoy it, and see you next time. Bye.